Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Ethereum using PayPal, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase ETH through this trusted payment platform. Step 1. Open the PayPal app or visit the PayPal website and log in to your account. Ensure you're in a supported region, as crypto features aren't available everywhere. Step 2. Navigate to the crypto section from the PayPal dashboard. This feature is typically found in the main menu or wallet section. Step 3. Select Buy and choose Ethereum from the list of available cryptocurrencies. PayPal also offers Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to invest in Ethereum. You can specify either a dollar amount or the quantity of ETH you want to purchase. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including PayPal's spread and fees. PayPal charges a fee that varies based on transaction size, with lower percentages for larger amounts. Step 6. Select your funding source, either your PayPal balance or a linked bank account or card. Confirm the transaction details are correct. Step 7. Complete the purchase by confirming the transaction. Your Ethereum holdings will appear in your PayPal crypto wallet. Note that PayPal crypto cannot be transferred to external wallets currently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.